हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शनवरचे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण मागच्या 2-3 व्हिडिओजमध्ये बघितलं. त्यातला शेवटचा जो टाईप आहे, पहिल्या टाईपमध्ये आपण ज्या 4 स्टेप्स सांगितलं त्या 4 स्टेप्समध्ये एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केलं. ते सेकंड स्टेप जो बघितला होता त्याच्यामध्ये एक्झाम्पल्समध्ये एक फॉर्मॅट होता, x raised to n - y raised to n upon x raised to n plus y raised to n हा फंक्शनच्यात असताना, आणि त्याच्यासाठी तुम्हाला ॲन्सर होतं dy/dx इज इक्वल टू y/x. आणि आता इथं थर्ड टाईपमध्ये मेथड तीच आहे, त्या 4 स्टेप्स आहेत, पण 4 स्टेप्समध्ये अजून उत्तर मात्र थोडासा वेगळ्या फॉर्ममध्ये येणार आहेत. तर हे कसे आहेत, काही एक्झाम्पल्स आपण सॉल्व करून बघू आणि शेवटी आपल्याला त्याची ट्रिक लक्षात येईल, जे हे एक्झाम्पल सोडवणं सोपं. चला तर पहिला एक्झाम्पल करू. सो लेट्स गो फॉर नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ टाईप 3. Consider log of x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to 2. So in the previous type we have solved example of this type and we have shown that its derivative is dy/dx is equal to y/x, but here the required answer is in different form. So we'll see what is that. We'll do the same step, then by definition of logarithm. See, what is that? If a raised to m is equal to n, then m is equal to log of n to the base a. So this is in both direction. So m is log of n to the base a, then n is a raised to m. Now here this 2 is log to the base 10 here. So by this term x cube plus minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to, see, log of n is this term, to the base a is m, this is 2, then n is equal to this, n is equal to, it is equal to a means same base, that is 10 raised to m, it is 2, and that is आधीच्या फॉर्ममध्ये हे आपण सिम्प्लिफाय केलं होतं, हा 100 लिहिला होता आणि मग टर्म्स ॲडजस्ट केला होता. इथं मात्र आपण थोडासा वेगळा फॉर्म करणार आहे. काय करणार आहे बघा, एक्स क्यूब मायनस वाय क्यूब, कीप न्यूमरेटर ॲज इट इज and multiply by denominator on both sides. So here it gets cancelled and here we'll get 10 square is 100 into x cube plus y cube. I will call this a second. No doubt 1 and 2 in implicit form, or which is in implicit form, are because 1 and 2 both, and in implicit form we have decided to differentiate it. Differentiate with respect to x. So see what we are going to get here. Now this is derivative of x cube, it is 3x square minus derivative of y cube, this is 3y square into dy/dx, because we are taking derivative with respect to x here and here, is equal to 100 into, again derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy/dx, because derivative is with respect to x. So throughout we can cancel by 3 there. दोन्ही साइडला 3 ने डिवाइड करा. Now multiply by this 100 inside the bracket, and so we'll get this is x square minus, here it is y square into dy by dx, which is equal to, here it is, 100 into x square plus 100 into y square into dy by dx. Okay, so this completes the first step. What is that? Differentiate implicit function to get more than one terms of dy by dx. Now collect the terms of dy by dx on left hand side and remaining terms on right hand side. That is minus y square into dy by dx minus, bring this on other side, 100 y square into dy by dx is equal to, this is 100x square, and transfer this x square on other sides by subtracting, it is minus x square. So minus y square dy by dx minus 100 y square dy by dx, you will get minus 101 y square into dy by dx is equal to, this is 100x square minus x square, so you'll get 99 x square, and let's just divide by the coefficient of dy by dx on other side, so we'll get dy by dx is equal to, we have to divide by minus 101 y square, so this is minus 99 x square divided by 101 y square, and see, this is the required answer. So that's it for this example. So we'll go for one more example. Consider the given function x raised to y is equal to e raised to x minus y. I will call this as equation first, and we have to show that dy by dx is equal to log x upon 1 plus log x bracket square. What is the hint? Log x. So it is variable raised to variable form, so taking log on both sides. So we get log of x raised to y is equal to log of e raised to x minus y, and so we are getting y into log x is equal to x minus y into log of e. This is because since log of m raised to n is equal to n into log m. दोन्ही ठिकाणी ती प्रॉपर्टी वापरली, that is y into log x is equal to x minus y. Why it is? Because the value of log e to the base e is 1. I will call this a second, which is in implicit form. And whenever the function is in implicit form, differentiate it. With respect to x. इथे product आहे, derivative घ्या. Derivative of first term y into derivative of second dy by dx of log x plus log x second term as it is into derivative of first term dy by dx is equal to, now we'll go for derivative of right hand side. Derivative of first term minus derivative of second term. Derivative of first term is 1 minus derivative of second term, it is dy by dx. आता dy by dx च्या दोन टर्म्स आहेत, हा एक आहे, हा एक आहे. This is constant, this is term containing log x only, or derivative of log x and x only, not containing dy by dx. Now हा इथंच ठेवून घ्या, that is, I will write this term log x into dy by dx. हा इथंच दिला. Okay, bring this term on other side, it will become plus dy by dx is equal to, keep this term here only, 1, carry this as, and transfer this term on other side. At the same time, take derivative of log x as 1 upon x. It will become minus y into 1 upon x. Okay, now we'll take dy by dx common here, so we are getting log x here plus from this 1 into dy by dx is equal to, cross multiply here, x ni multiply kara, x minus y into 1 is y, it is whole divided by x. Okay, and that is dy by dx is equal to x minus y is divided by x into bracket log x plus 1 tikade yenar hai, I will write this as 1 plus log x. ओके, आता हे उत्तर आलं, पण हे उत्तर याच्यापेक्षा वेगळे. आता याच्यासाठी ॲडजस्टमेंट करायला लागेल. एकतर एक्स मायनस वायच्या जागेसाठी लिहू शकाल वाय लॉग एक्स. ओके, फ्रॉम 2 dy by dx is equal to, for x minus y we can write y into log x. So y into log x is divided by x into 1 plus log x. And see the required answer, it is not containing either y or x. म्हणजे हा y by x काढून टाकायला लागेल आणि आपल्याला काय दाखवायला लागेल, y by x ची व्हॅल्यू, कारण log x आहे तो मिळाला आहे 1 plus log x ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर आहे. सो जस्ट यू हॅव टू शो द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ y by x to be 1 upon 1 plus log x. बस एवढं मिळालं, काम संपतं. सो फ्रॉम 2 अगेन, bring this y on this another side, so we are getting y log x, bring this plus y is equal to, एक फक्त x शिल्लक राहील, यातून y कॉमन घ्या, that is y into bracket log x plus 1 is equal to x, and divide by x on this side, and that is y divided by x is equal to, हा bracket transfer करा, 1 upon log x plus 1 means 1 plus log x. Call this as third, then by third. We are getting dy by dx is equal to, the value of y divided by x is 1 upon 1 plus log x, and into this, so log x divided by 1 plus log x bracket square, and this is the required answer. ही ॲडजस्टमेंट जमली पाहिजे, समजली पाहिजे, तरच तुम्हाला उत्तरापर्यंत जाता येईल. बरेच लोक इथे येऊन थांबतात, गोंधळतात. त्यामुळे जे काही ऑलरेडी आहेत, एक तर दिलेलं रिलेशन किंवा ॲडजस्ट केलेलं रिलेशन वापरा, त्याच्याचमध्ये तुम्हाला त्याचं सोल्युशन मिळणार आहे. वेगळं कुठं या एक्झाम्पलच्या बाहेर जाऊन काही शोधायची गरज नाही. सो दॅट्स इट फॉर दिस टाईप. So we'll go for the next example. It is typical example. If y is equal to x raised to x raised to x and raised to so on up to infinity, then show that dy by dx is equal to, this is the required answer. So we'll go for this example. So I'll consider the given function y is equal to x raised to x raised to x and so on. I will call this as first, and I have one memory related with this example from my college day. हे एक्झाम्पल मी माझ्या प्रोफेसर शंकर गौडांच्याकडे जेव्हा हे एक्झाम्पल घेऊन गेलो होतो, त्याने डायरेक्ट सोल्युशन नाही सांगितलं. ॲज अ डाऊट आय हॅव टेकन दिस एक्झाम्पल, आणि मग ताणी सांगितलं की मी तुला एक हिंट सांगतो आणि मग बघ काय होतं. and he has asked one question to me. Suppose if we take one bucket water out from a sea, एक बादली पाणी समुद्रातून बाजूला काढली, then what will remain there? तिथं काय शिल्लक राहील? And this is the hint for this example. Yes, just go and solve. Just think about it, because we have x raised to x raised to x again raised to x and so on up to infinity. This is the c, and from this c we'll remove one bucket, that is 1x, and we'll continue this. What will remain? If we remove this here, what we can write for this bracket? Then yes, this is the answer. Yes, if we remove one bucket from C, one bucket water from C, what will remain? Again C will remain there. समुद्र आहे तसा शिल्लक राहील. समुद्राचं नाव आहे Y. Yes, this is the hint. Got it? Okay. Now, which is an implicit function. इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन असेल तर डिफरन्शिएट करायचं आहे, पण डिफरन्शिएट करायचं आहे हा कुठल्या फॉर्ममध्ये आहे बघा, कंपोजिट आहे का तर नाही आहे, इन्व्हर्स ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिक नाही आहे, इट इज इन व्हेरिएबल रेस टू व्हेरिएबल फॉर्म म्हणजे लॉगॅरिथमिक फॉर्म. इट इज इन लॉगॅरिथमिक फॉर्म. So take log on both sides. Now see what we are getting. We are getting log of y is equal to log of x raised to y. That is log of y is equal to y into log x. I will consider this as second. Now this is again an implicit form कारण y दोन वेळा येतो. We'll go for the differentiate. So derivative of log y with respect to x. This is composite. Log x नहीं है. So 1 upon y into dy by dx by chain rule is equal to, and here we have the derivative of product, derivative of u into v. So first term as it is into derivative of second, product rule, plus second term as it is into derivative of first, that is dy by dx. Okay, now we have two terms of dy by dx. Collect them on one side and keep a remaining terms on another side. So this is 1 upon y into dy by dx. Adi just have we have to bring this term on this side. So subtract from both sides. दोन्ही साइड ने subtract करा, इकडून निघून जाईल right side ला. And here you will get minus log x into dy by dx is equal to, here it is y into derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Okay, and that is we are getting now taking dy by dx common from these two terms. From first term we are getting 1 upon y minus from second term we are getting log x into dy by dx is equal to y divided by x. Last step साठी कोएफिशिएंट ट्रान्सफर करायचे, पण त्याच्या आधी एक ॲडजस्टमेंट करा. मेक द common denominator y on left hand side inside this bracket so that you can easily get the answer. This is 1 minus y into log x is divided by y into dy by dx is equal to y by x. हा टर्म इथून काढून राईट साईडला पाठवायचं आहे. याच्या रेसिप्रोकलने दोन्ही बाजूला मल्टिप्लाय करा. याच्या रेसिप्रोकलने इकडे मल्टिप्लाय केला तर हा कॅन्सल होईल. And multiplying by its reciprocal on right hand side we'll get y will come in the numerator, y into y square is divided by x there, and the numerator will become the denominator. It is 1 minus y into log of x. But this answer is different from the required answer. आता बऱ्याच वेळा विद्यार्थ्यांची गमत होते की हे वेगळं वेगळं दिसलं की मग गडबडून जातात आणि आपल्याला काहीतरी चुकलं. फक्त फरक काय चेक करा. वाय स्क्वेअर इज देअर, एक्स इज आउटसाइड देअर, वन मायनस इज देअर, अँड इन्स्टेड ऑफ वाय लॉग एक्स वी वॉन्ट लॉग वाय. कुठे शोधा वाय लॉग एक्स. सी, this is an equation second. Y log x can be written as log y by 2. So we are getting now dy by dx is equal to, no change in the numerator, y square, it is divided by x as it is into 1 minus, instead of y log x we can write log y. And see, this is the required answer. Now similar to this example, there are different examples. If y is equal to root of cos x plus a root of cos x plus a root of cos x plus, so इथे सुद्धा तीच मेथड वापरायची. राईट, दिस इज y is equal to root of, this is cos x, आणि हा एक बाजूला सोडला तर उरलेलं जे दिसतं रूट ऑफ cos x plus root of cos x plus root of cos x and so on up to infinity, it is again y, so plus y. Squaring both sides, differentiate this, square this, y square is equal to cos x plus y, square root निघून जातो, and you will get dy by dx is equal to minus sin x divided by 2y minus 1. This is the answer. Similar example is will be there by replacing cos x by sin x. तिथे मात्र येतो dy by dx is equal to sin x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह cos x divided by 2y minus 1. सो फ्रेंड्स, थर्ड टाईप या ठिकाणी आपण बघितला की थर्ड टाईपमध्ये एक्झाम्पल्स आधीसारखेच आहेत, पण उत्तर जिथंपर्यंत आपण येऊन थांबतो त्याच्यापेक्षा थोडंसं वेगळं काहीतरी आहे. थोडंसं वेगळं काय येतं, फायनल ॲन्सर जे मिळणार आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये RHSला अजून काही ॲडजस्टमेंट, सिम्प्लिफिकेशन्स, सबस्टिट्यूशन्स करायचे आहेत, आणि या सबस्टिट्यूशन्स या बाहेरून कुठं येणार नाही आहेत. तर त्याच एक्झाम्पलमध्ये एक तर दिलेला फंक्शन असेल किंवा मध्ये कुठेतरी तो सिम्प्लिफाय करून केलेला फंक्शन असेल, त्याचा उपयोग आपल्याला इथं करायचा आहे. हे व्यवस्थित समजत असेल तर या टाईपचे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. या ठिकाणी हा सेक्शन कंप्लीट होतो आहे. याच्यावरचे एक्झाम्पल्स तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करा. काही शंका असतील तर नक्की आपण त्या डिस्कस करू शकतो. चला, तर या ठिकाणी डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शनवरचे एक्झाम्पल्स आपण कंप्लीट करतोय.